Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how do you delete your Spotify account. So firstly, open up your Spotify account. Please note that you can't really delete your account using the mobile app. So it's better you use your web browser or use your browser to log into your Spotify. So what you can do is open up your browser, whether on your phone or on your PC. Just open up your browser. So go to spotify.com. So go to spotify.com and then try to log into your account. So once you've already logged into your account here, so click on your top right, click on your name and then click on account option. So once you click on your account option, so here click on the support tab here on your top right. So click on support and then under support just type in close account or delete account, like either. So search that, and then once you search that, then choose the closing your account, that option here, the last option, choose that. And then if you have your premium account, choose the first link, or if you don't have a premium account, use the second link. All right, so since I have a premium account, I'm choosing the first link, so click on it. And once you click on this one, this will open up a chat box, as you can see on my screen here. So this will open up this chat box here. So here just let them know that you want to cancel. So just type in close your account, and then Spotify will check your account details, everything, and then they will give you with this option here. So here you just choose whatever that you want to close your, cancel your membership or close your account. Just choose that, and once you choose that, what happens is that Spotify will look into it and then get the process done for you. And it's pretty straightforward and simple. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video soon.